StudioX. First, automation, name generator. 1. Open website http://www.uipasamples.com/. 2. Click on unicorn name generator. 3. Take input from Excel. 4. Generate unicorn name. 5. Copy unicorn name from website. 6. Paste in Excel file. There are 5 names listed in Excel file. Please see the demo of this automation, then we will create it in UiPath StudioX. Both will open the name generator website, and then one by one, name will pull from the Excel and put it in the website. After name generate, both will copy the unicorn name and paste it on the Excel for respective names. This is the overall process that we need to automate without manual intervention. Both will do it for you. Let's start without any delay. Open UiPath StudioX. Click on blank project. Give the name of the automation. And wait for some time, until the UiPath open the project for you. Please check the path of your project as well, because sometimes we need to use it for other purpose as well, and we will learn about the same in other videos. StudioX will take some time to load the project because it is pulling all required dependencies of the project. While UiPath is pulling the dependencies, I can tell you that knowledge of programming language is not required for StudioX. Now, our project is up, neat and ready for automation. There are multiple activities or cards in StudioX. However, in this automation, we will use only 2 Excel and app or web cards. In Excel card, there are 25 to 30 different activities, and we will discuss all these activities in details in other videos. For this project, we will use Excel scope, Excel each row, and right cell. Pull. Use Excel file activity, then provide path of the saved Excel file. Then we need to give the reference of the Excel file. Because if you are using more than one Excel file in any project, then we can easily identify the Excel by reference, under reference, as we need to put the unique name without any space. See, I am giving the reference name without any special character and space. Now we will use web or app card. Then we need to indicate the web page which we have already opened. See, now I am indicating the web page, however the web page need with different address. Now we need to delay the indication for few seconds so that we can indicate the correct web page. For delay, we need to press F2 key and then we will indicate the correct web page. Now I am showing the properties of that web page. It will contain so many things including web page URL and selector of the page. We will also learn about selector in other videos. Now we need to click on unicorn name generator. To click we have a click event and that we need to use next. Under click event, we need to indicate on web page where that option available. In this web page we need to indicate unicorn name generator. After indicating the desired place on web page, we need validate. In this case our validation is 100%. Now we need to pull each name from Excel file and paste it on the web page under name field. Then we need to click on generate button. Now from each row of Excel file, we need to pull the name, and for that we have Excel for each row. In this project the for each row will run 5 times because we have 5 names there. Going into Excel and dragging Excel for each row, because we need to read each lines from the Excel. We need to give the range of the Excel file under for each row activity. Click on plus icon and give the entire sheet as range. Under for each row activity, now we need to put type into activity from app card. In type into, we need to indicate the element on web page. In this project we need to type name in enter your name field, and the name needs to pull from Excel file. To use the Excel name we need to click on plus icon and give the current row and name header. Then we need to use the click option to generate the unicorn name. Indicate the pals where you wanted to click on webpage, like get name. After get name there will be a unicorn name generate. Now we need to copy generated name and paste it in the Excel file, in front of the respective name. To get the unicorn name from website, we need to use get text option of StudioX. In get text activity we need to indicate the element as well. In get text activity, we have an option save for later, and we need to use the option save for later because we need to put the unicorn name in Excel file and that unicorn name is saved in the save for later option. For this I have used unicorn name in saved for later option. Now that save for later unicorn name we need to put in Excel file, and for this we need to use right cell option from Excel card. Drag right cell option from Excel card, under what to write, please use save value from plus icon. Unicorn name. And under where to write, we need to click on plus icon, then choose current row, then provide unicorn name filed. Now save the project and it's time to run the automation. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3 and run, and see your first automation running. Please check the output panel of UiPath, then you get to know that in 30-second bot has pulled all the record from webpage and saved in the Excel file as well. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please subscribe the channel, please comment and share as well. We will meet very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.